If your washing machine is making strange sounds such as knocking or scratching, there are several things that you can do yourself before calling in an expert. First things first, make sure it's unplugged. Solid metal items like coins and bra wires are the most common causes of strange sounds inside of washing machines. When we tested what happens when pound coins go through the wash, we found that most stayed in the drum and got caught in the door seal.
Run your hand inside the drum. If you're lucky, you might find a bra wire or something similar poking out from the drum holes. Also, check the grey rubber seal, as items that cause noise often end up here at the end of the wash. It's important to remove anything you find from the seal, as over time the metal could rust, which can lead to stained clothes. Hard metal items could also puncture the seal and damage the machine, or even make their way between the rubber and the drum and further into the machine.
If solid items go beyond the drum and into the outer tub, this can make a lot of noise when the machine spins. And if this is happening, call an engineer and see if the machine can be fixed.
But often, due to the way the inner and outer drums are designed, there will be no way of extracting the items, and the machine could end up a write-off.
Items that make noise during the wash can end up blocking the filter, and you can find this at the front on the right.
Remove the plastic cover and pop a shallow container in place to catch the water. Pull out the drain hose, remove the cap and then drain the water away. Once this is done, you can undo the filter cap and remove the filter to see if there's anything caught in it. Then give it a clean if it's dirty and screw it back on, replacing the drain hose and filter cover.
If your machine is still noisy, it's time to call an expert. Visit Which Trusted Traders, where you'll find hundreds of reviews from Which members on traders and repair workers in your area. And if you want to buy a new machine, join Which to compare all our reviews.